All right, guys, let's talk brakes for a minute. If you have noisy brakes, your stopping distance has been increasing, or you're feeling like a pulsation in the pedal, what's it mean? What's that telling you? It means to look at your rotors. All right, our friends at Rebestos brand brakes did a really cool thing. They took a bunch of rotors from all over the industry and did kind of a side-by-side comparison. This is the Rebestos brand. This is competitors. Right out of the gate, you notice something different. A lot of competitors and what's happening in the industry is they're reducing this plate thickness. You can tell the difference right here. All right, by expanding that air gap, reducing this plate thickness, all right, less material. Now you're thinking, well, what does less material have to do with anything? Well, less plate thickness means more heat sink. More heat's gonna get into things like your pads, your calipers, even your wheel hubs. All right, more points of failure. That's that brake fade, that squishy feeling you get. You don't want that when it comes to your brakes. Another thing they're doing is just in the vanes, the things that help cool and get that gas out, right? They're reducing that as well. So this is the Rebestos brand. And here's the competitor's brand. Notice the material is gone. So less material means less ability to absorb that heat, all right? And that heat is what damages all brake systems. Another thing to look at, if you're feeling a pedal pulsation and that stopping distance is increasing, take a look at your rotor itself and inspect it. If it's blue all around the circle, or if you're seeing cracks, it's time to get another one. Another good rule of thumb, take a micrometer and inspect it several different places. Chances are, if it's over a thou out in different places, you're gonna feel that pulsation in the pedal. For anything to do with brakes, check out Rebestos brand brakes at Federated Auto Parts.